In a world that constantly evolves and innovates, it's not uncommon for technological advancements and inventions to leave us in awe. From cutting-edge medical devices to revolutionary modes of transportation, the realm of innovation knows no bounds. In this video, we will explore a selection of new technologies and inventions that are poised to blow your mind and change the way we live, work, and play. Quantum computing, the future of data processing. Quantum computing is a technological marvel that promises to revolutionize the way we process and analyze information. Unlike traditional computers, which use bits to represent data as either 0 or 1, quantum computers utilize qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously due to the principles of quantum superposition. This allows quantum computers to perform complex calculations at an exponentially faster rate. Researchers are already exploring its applications in fields such as cryptography, drug discovery, and weather forecasting. Quantum computing has the potential to unlock previously unsolvable problems, making it a game changer for science and technology. The Hyperloop, the next frontier in transportation. Elon Musk's vision of the Hyperloop is inching closer to reality, and it promises to transform the way we travel. This high-speed transportation system relies on vacuum tubes to propel capsules at incredible speeds, potentially reaching over 700 miles per hour. With various companies racing to develop functional prototypes, the future of transportation has never looked more exhilarating. CRISPR-Cas9, editing the blueprint of life. CRISPR-Cas9 is a revolutionary gene editing technology that has the potential to transform the field of genetics and medicine. While the technology raises ethical concerns and challenges, there is no denying its transformative potential in improving human health and advancing our understanding of the biological world. Augmented and virtual reality, immersive experiences. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are changing the way we perceive and interact with the world around us. AR overlays digital information onto the real world, while VR immerses users in entirely digital environments. These technologies are reshaping industries such as gaming, education, healthcare, and training. With the advent of AR glasses and headsets, we are on the brink of a new era where the boundary between the physical and digital worlds is increasingly blurred. The pace of technological innovation in our world is astonishing. The new technologies and inventions mentioned here are just a glimpse of what the future holds. As these technologies continue to evolve, they will undoubtedly blow our minds and open up new possibilities for exploration and discovery. With the power of innovation and human ingenuity, the future promises to be a thrilling journey into uncharted territory. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed, for the future is here, and it's mind-blowing.